Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the Go High Level lead nurturing workflows, in which we have to nurture our leads inside the workflows. So let's hop into the Go High Level. Here we are inside our Go High Level workflow. So I've created this workflow before. So what happens inside this workflow is we have to wait for some time and follow up or nurture the lead through emails, or we can send also SMS. It's our own choice if we have to choose different reply channels or a single channel. So I'm using a single channel right now. So the first step is to add the trigger, in which I have to decide what should be the trigger. So for example, a contact tag is added, and I will add a new filter here. Then I'll select it as a tag added. You can choose any of your own preferred tag. I'm choosing this abandoned tag, so just for testing purposes. So whenever a contact tag is added with this tag, abandoned tag, the workflow will start and the contact will get induced or included in this workflow. So the first step is to add the action of the wait. We can add whatever wait, if you have to select days or whatever you want to choose. I'm choosing these settings. So you can also choose the window timing, through what timing you want to send the messages and through what time you don't want to send the message. So we have these timings selected as the 9 to 5 p.m. So the customer will receive the emails from 9 to 5 p.m. timings. Then we move on to the next action, which is the email action. So here we are inside the email action, which contains all the settings. For example, we have to add the subject. I'm adding this subject, and with this content, you can replace your own content here. This is for, again, I'm telling this is for testing purposes. So the content would be testing. You can set it for your own selves. So now, if you have set it the email and the wait action, then you have to copy those actions right behind, beside one another. If I choose this, for example, the three dots, I'll just have to copy the action, or I can copy all actions from here. If I select the copy all action from here, all the captions inside, below this particular wait 1 month action would be copied right behind this. So I have to click on the space below, and everything has been pasted. This you can see here, action pasted successfully. So yeah, this is from my side. If you have any questions regarding this workflow, you may ask in the comment sections, and if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.